So here's the Deity PR-2. We are going to have a look at the batteries and the card, which you get to round the back. So to remove the back cover, just push back from here, like so. It comes off really easily. And then let's pop out these two batteries, two AAs. These are the Deity branded ones. These are the lithium ones that come with the unit. Okay, and then the card is just in here. Just needs a bit of a nail. And then the card comes out. That's the card that comes with it, 64 gigabyte. Put it in, same thing. It just needs a little bit of a nail edge just to persuade it to click, like so. That's in. Batteries back in. Both go the same way. Really easy. And then this cover, I find the best thing is to put it to about there. So it's down on both sides and then just push forward and it clicks in. Really simple, really easy. Deity PR-2, ready for action.